by Devaraja Master. Other few songs during the session, during this musical session. But I think we all have to give a bit of credit to Jayashree sir. I mean, this is his first song, and he literally began with a bang, probably with the greatest start someone could have in film music, beginning with a song like this. And if you listen to his voice and how it developed over time, the lightness and airiness that was here, which was obviously found in all of his songs, became a little more round as his vocal career progressed, especially if you look at the combination between him and Devarajan Master, him and Dakshamurthy Swami. Udaharanamayitte, so listening to him singing Manjari, Manjarayil mungi torti dhanumasa chandrika chandrika. He sings those sangadis with such ease. Ninne matram kandillallo prema jaguri jaguri jaguri. The genius of Jayashree sir as a singer was, for someone who has declared in so many interviews that he never formally studied music, that's the beauty of it, right? If you listen to a song like Kavya Pustagamallu Jeevitam Vidil Karnakirudan, or even the Ashwati Nakshatrame Yin Abhirama Sangalpame favorite songs with the great Babuka. Anuraga Ganam Pole Aragindiyara Pole Aruni Revate Anuraga Ganam Pole so many amazing songs. Even with that great M. K. Arjuna Master. Nirmal